So to begin, we need oranges. We need knife to peel the orange. We need a blender. We also need mesh sieve or filter. And of course, a tray to put the filter on. So we are going to be starting by peeling the orange. So we are going to peel all the oranges. You peel it such that after removing the outer skin, you also, peel, slice away the white skin, because if you leave it along with it, it's going to make the juice bitter. So peel it in such a way that you remove the outer skin and the white skin until you are seeing the juicy part direct. So when you are doing this, ensure that your hands are clean, because as you are doing it, you are going to be coming in contact with the orange, and then some juice will be coming off the orange as you do this. So you take your time. You see the way I'm peeling it. Take your time to peel everything from every skin from the orange. So I'm going to go ahead now I'm going to continue with all the oranges until I have them clean. You can see the way I'm cutting it, I'm peeling it. So just continue with all the oranges until it is clean like this. So after peeling like this, the next thing is to cut them. I'll remove the seed. So cut away this middle part. Remove the seed. Juice that came out while peeling the oranges, so that the blender will be able to turn while blending, because we are not adding any extra water. is already washed. So this is it. Our orange juice is ready. I'm just going to refrigerate it, and then anytime I want to drink in the morning, just pick one bottle. That is it. That is how you can make fruit juice. This is already chilled because I already have my oranges in the fridge. These are my oranges, so it's already cold. So instead of buying store juice, just make yours at home. So you know what you are drinking. No extra, no added sugar, no artificial. Just pure orange juice. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and please subscribe to this channel if you are yet to. I'll see you again in another video with another healthy recipes.